1 in every 10 people worldwide is affected by kidney disease. That's over 850 million people globally. That's more than the entire population of South America and North America combined. This silent epidemic doesn't discriminate, impacting every corner of the globe. It's a public health crisis that's often overlooked, and yet its effects are devastating. But the good news is, many kidney problems can be prevented or managed. But first, we need to understand what kidneys do. The kidneys, these remarkable bean-shaped organs, are silent warriors in our body. Each day, they filter a staggering 200 quarts of blood to sift out about 2 quarts of waste products and excess water. This waste, in turn, becomes urine, which is transported to the bladder and eventually expelled from the body. But the kidneys' role doesn't stop there. They're also responsible for maintaining our body's electrolyte balance. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and calcium are crucial for many bodily functions. They help regulate our heart's rhythm, allow our muscles to contract, transmit nerve impulses, and maintain pH balance. Moreover, our kidneys are diligent hormone producers. They churn out erythropoietin, a hormone that prompts our bone marrow to produce red blood cells. They also produce renin, a hormone that helps regulate blood pressure, and they convert vitamin D into a form our body can use, aiding in bone health and immune function. But perhaps what's most impressive about our kidneys is their adaptability. Even when their function is reduced to a mere quarter, they can still do their job effectively. This resilience, however, also means that kidney damage can go unnoticed until it's quite advanced. So it's clear that keeping our kidneys healthy is vital for our overall well-being. Now let's dive into the risk factors that can lead to kidney problems. First off, diabetes is a major risk factor. When your body can't properly use insulin, the sugar builds up in your bloodstream, causing damage to many organs, including your kidneys. Over time, this can lead to kidney disease, which is why it's essential to manage diabetes effectively. Next up is high blood pressure. Think of your kidneys like a sophisticated filtering system. They're responsible for removing waste and excess fluids from your body. But when your blood pressure is consistently high, it puts a lot of pressure on these tiny filters, causing them to wear out faster. Over time, this can lead to kidney disease. Obesity is another key risk factor. Extra weight puts additional strain on your kidneys, making them work harder to filter out toxins and waste from your body. This can lead to kidney problems over the long term. So, maintaining a healthy weight is not just good for your overall health, but your kidneys too. Smoking is a big no-no when it comes to kidney health. It can damage blood vessels, reducing blood flow in the kidneys and impair their ability to function properly. On top of that, smoking can also exacerbate the effects of other risk factors like high blood pressure and diabetes. Lastly, let's talk about family history. If you have a family member who has had kidney disease, it increases your risk. It doesn't mean you'll definitely develop kidney problems, but it's something to be aware of. In the grand scheme of things, these risk factors are not just isolated to your kidneys. They impact your overall health. So, by managing these risk factors, you're not just protecting your kidneys, you're also improving your overall health. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about these risk factors, the better you can manage them, and the lower your chances of developing kidney problems. Awareness of these risk factors is the first step towards prevention. So how can you keep your kidneys healthy? Here are some key steps. First and foremost, maintaining a healthy diet is crucial. Your kidneys need the right balance of nutrients and minerals to function optimally. And the best way to achieve this is through a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. But be mindful of your salt intake. Too much salt can raise blood pressure levels, putting strain on the kidneys. So, try to limit your sodium intake to less than 2,300 milligrams a day. That's about 1 teaspoon. Being mindful of your sugar intake is equally important. High sugar consumption can lead to diabetes, a leading cause of kidney disease. Aim to consume no more than 6 teaspoons of added sugar per day for women and 9 teaspoons for men. Remember, sugar isn't just in sweets and sodas. It hides in many processed foods, so always check the labels. Next, regular exercise is not only good for your heart and waistline, but also for your kidneys. Physical activity helps control blood pressure and lower cholesterol levels, both of which are essential for kidney health. You don't need to run a marathon. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 days a week can make a significant difference. This could be a brisk walk, a bike ride, or even a dance class. The key is to find something you enjoy so it becomes a regular part of your life. Limiting alcohol and tobacco use is another important step. Both substances can damage your kidneys and other organs. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. That's up to 1 drink a day for women and 2 for men. If you smoke, consider seeking help to quit. Smoking can slow the blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their function over time. Lastly, but by no means least, regular checkups are vital. Kidney disease often shows no symptoms until it's advanced, making it a silent killer. Regular blood and urine tests can catch kidney disease early when it's most treatable. If you have risk factors for kidney disease, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, or a family history, you may need more frequent checkups. Remember, your kidneys are hard-working organs, each about the size of your fist, filtering and cleaning your blood 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They deserve your care and attention. So, to recap, eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, limit alcohol and tobacco use, and get regular checkups. These are simple steps, but they can make a world of difference to your kidney health. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. But what if you're already experiencing kidney problems? Here are some signs to look out for. One of the most common symptoms of kidney disease is fatigue. Your kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin, which helps your body make oxygen-carrying red blood cells. When your kidneys aren't working properly, they might not make enough of this hormone, leading to a decrease in red blood cells and causing you to feel tired or weak. Next, let's talk about changes in urine. This could mean having to urinate more often, especially at night, or experiencing a burning sensation when you do. The color of your urine might change too, becoming foamy or darker than usual. This happens because your kidneys are having trouble filtering waste and excess fluids from your body. Swelling is another symptom to consider. Your kidneys help control the amount of fluid in your body. If they're not doing their job, this can lead to fluid buildup, causing swelling in your ankles, feet, or hands. Lastly, you might experience nausea or a loss of appetite. This is because the buildup of waste products in your body can alter your sense of taste or cause you to feel sick. Remember, these symptoms can also be caused by other health conditions, but they're worth paying attention to. And always keep in mind, prevention is better than cure. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical attention immediately. To recap, kidney problems are a global public health issue, but with awareness and proactive measures, it's possible to prevent or manage them. Throughout this video, we've delved into the critical role kidneys play in our overall health, highlighting their essential function in filtering waste and toxins from our blood. We've examined the prevalent risk factors such as diabetes, hypertension, and obesity, emphasizing the connection between these conditions and the onset of kidney disease. The importance of understanding these risks cannot be overstated. Early recognition can be the key to prevention. We've also discussed a range of preventive measures, from maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise routine to regular checkups and monitoring any existing health conditions. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about consistent, mindful choices that support kidney health. Additionally, we've touched on the vital signs and symptoms of kidney problems, from persistent fatigue and shortness of breath to changes in urine color and frequency. Recognizing these signs early can lead to timely intervention, often slowing or even stopping the progression of kidney disease. In essence, prevention and early detection are crucial when it comes to kidney health. Regular screenings, a healthy lifestyle, and staying informed about risk factors can make a world of difference. Take care of your kidneys, and they'll take care of you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.